What are you doing, girl?
I got it.
You're driving? What do you have on your ears?
Daddy's?
Huh?
Daddy's.
Oh, those are Daddy's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that how he wears them?
Yep. My tractor.
It's your tractor?
Your Daddy's tractor.
Oh, Daddy's tractor.
My mom?
I don't want to ride. Are you going to mow the grass today?
Yeah.
All right. Good.
Oh. Oh.
It needs to be done.
Daddy's dad. Daddy's dad.
Daddy's going to do it?
No, Sarah.
Okay, good. What are you doing? What are you looking at?
Dad.
Why are they on your cheeks? Instead of your ears. Are they just a little too big?
No.
Well, thanks for mowing the grass today.
Dad. That's Daddy's tractor, Mom.
I know, it's Daddy's tractor. Are you going to start it up for us?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you start it?
Yeah.
But-
Push.
You push on that?
Yeah. Yeah, it's me. Tractor. Me, tractor. Me. I'm a baby. Baby.
You're a baby?
Yeah.
Oh, the tractor's a baby?
No.
Oh.
Me.
Oh, you. Of course. What are you barking at, Woody?
Big tractor. Big tractor, Mom. Big tractor, Mom.
It's a big tractor, I know.
Small tractor. My tractor, Mom.
Yep, Sarah's tractor.
The Daddy tractor.
I thought it was your tractor.
Daddy tractor.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm going to let you mow now.
Daddy mow. Daddy mow.
Daddy's going to mow too?
Me. Dad. Here. Me. Okay?
You and Daddy together?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, he's got to get home from work first.
Okay.
Okay, so when he comes home, then you can help him mow, okay?
Okay.
Okay.